Before I get started on today's assembly, I have a quick announcement that I'd like to make. On Sunday, Easter Sunday, the 4th of April, we are hosting our very own Easter Sunday online Messy Easter event, and we would love for you all to get involved. We're going to be doing games together, we're going to be doing crafts together, it's going to be so much fun, and we're going to be telling a super special story about Easter as well. And you're all invited. We even have our own goodie bags for you to enjoy, which we're going to be delivering to the school really soon. So if you want to get involved in this free event, come and join us on Zoom. The password and the description are all here, and there should be messages going out to parents. So we would love for you all to join us on Easter Sunday for this really fun event. All of your Westside friends will be there, and we hope you will too. Enjoy the assembly. Hi there everyone, it's me, Chris from Westside Church. I hope you're all doing well and feeling good and enjoying this holiday coming up. Now, does anyone know what this holiday is? Can anyone tell me what holiday it is? Particularly something we're going to celebrate on Sunday. Can anybody tell me? You're right, it's Easter. We're going to be hearing all about Easter and enjoying Easter egg hunts all together this weekend. And did you know there's actually a story about Easter? It's all about this man. His name is Jesus. Do you want to say hi to Jesus? Hello! See, Jesus saying hi to you. Now, Jesus lived a long time ago, and he used to like telling people stories. And a lot of people liked his stories and learned lots from him. But some people didn't like his stories and got very upset with him about it. So upset, in fact, that they actually got him taken to court for no good reason at all, and they had him killed in a nasty, horrible way. And a lot of people remember the cross because of where Jesus died. And Jesus was killed just like a criminal back in those days, even though he had done nothing wrong. After Jesus had been killed, he was taken into a tomb where they put a big stone in front of the tomb so that no one could get near the body. Now, a few days later, some women who knew Jesus came to the tomb to see if they could look after Jesus' body and get it properly ready. But when they got there, they realized that the stone had been rolled away. And when they looked inside, they saw that Jesus had gone. He had disappeared. They looked all around for Jesus, but they couldn't see him. Eventually, they saw a man dressed in all white. He was an angel. And he turned to Mary and the other women there and said, "Don't be afraid. Jesus isn't here. He's alive. Go and tell his friends that he is alive and will be with them soon." Mary ran home as fast as she could. And when she got there, she told Peter, one of Jesus' friends. Peter's holding a fish because he used to be a fisherman. And Peter couldn't believe it. So much so that he had to rush all the way to the tomb himself to check for himself. But Mary was correct. Jesus wasn't there. Much later on, while everyone was hanging out in their houses together, Jesus appeared to them. They were all so shocked. "Don't be afraid," Jesus says. "I have come back to life just like I promised, to save all people so that they can have a relationship with God." And that's why we look for Easter eggs on Easter Sunday, because eggs are a symbol of new life, like little baby chicks or ducks or other animals that can come out of eggs. So I hope you've enjoyed this story and have yourself a very happy Easter. Bye!